Hello students, today we are going to solve numerical of draft tube. Now question is given as a water turbine has a velocity of 6 meter per second at the entrance to the draft tube and a velocity of 1.2 meter per second at the exit. For friction losses of 0.1 meter and a tailwater 5 meter below the entrance to the draft tube, now we have to find the pressure head at the entrance. Now for solving this numerical, first of all we will write the given quantities here, that is velocity at inlet, that is V1 will be equals to 6 meter per second, velocity at outlet, that is V2 will be equals to 1.2 meter per second, friction loss, that is HF will be equals to 0.1 meter. Now vertical height between tail race and inlet of draft tube is equals to 5 meter, which is shown in this diagram. Now vertical height between tail race and inlet of draft tube will be equals to 5 meter, which is shown here in this diagram. Let y is the vertical height between tail race and outlet of draft tube, which is shown here, that is this distance is y, which is shown here. Now applying Bernoulli's equation at the inlet and outlet of draft tube, taking section 2 as the reference line, so equation will becomes P1 upon rho g plus V1 square upon 2g plus Z1 will be equals to P2 upon rho g plus V2 square upon 2g plus Z2 plus HF, where Z1 will be equals to 5 plus y, V1 will be equals to 6 meter per second, V2 will be equals to 1.2 meter per second, which is given in the question. HF will be equals to 0.1, which is also given in the question, and P2 upon rho g will be equals to atmospheric pressure head, that is PA upon rho g plus y, and Z2 is 0. So we will substitute this value in above equation, that is equation number 1. We will get P1 upon rho g plus 6 square upon 2 into 9.81 plus 5 plus y equals to PA upon rho g plus y plus 1.2 square upon 2g, that is 2 into 9.81 plus 0 plus 0.1. On solving this, we will get P1 upon rho g plus 1.835 plus 5 plus y will be equals to PA upon rho g plus y plus 0.0734 plus 0.1. On rearranging this, we will get P1 upon rho g plus 6.835 will be equals to PA upon rho g plus 0.1734. Now, if PA upon rho g, that is atmospheric pressure head, is taken 0, then we will get P1 upon rho g as vacuum pressure head at inlet of draft tube. But if PA upon rho g is equals to 10.3 meter of water, then we will get P1 upon rho g as absolute pressure head at inlet of draft tube. So taking PA upon rho g equals to 0, we will get P1 upon rho g plus 6.835 will be equals to 0 plus 0.1734. So P1 upon rho g will be equals to minus of 6.6616 meter. Here negative signs means vacuum pressure head. So students, we had solved this numerical completely. Thank you very much students.